Carbon capture and storage, CCS, is a way of reducing carbon emissions including the capture of carbon dioxide, CO2, emissions from industrial processes. CCS has been in operation since 1972 in the U.S., where several natural gas plants in Texas have captured and stored more than 200 million tons of CO2 underground. CCS is a key to helping to tackle global warming. It's a three-step process, involving capturing the carbon dioxide produced by power generation or industrial activity, such as steel or cement making, transporting it, and then storing it deep underground. The Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, IPCC, highlighted that, if we are to achieve the ambitions of the Paris Agreement and limit future temperature increases to 1.5 degrees centigrade, we must do more than just increasing efforts to reduce emissions. We also need to deploy technologies to remove carbon from the atmosphere. CCS is one of these technologies and can therefore play an important role in tackling global warming. There are 3 steps to the CCS process. 1. Capturing the carbon dioxide for storage. The CO2 is separated from other gases produced in industrial processes, such as those at coal and natural gas-fired power generation plants or steel or cement factories. 2. Transport. The CO2 is then compressed and transported via pipelines, road transport, or ships to a site for storage. 3. Storage. Finally, the CO2 is injected into rock formations deep underground for permanent storage. Possible storage sites for carbon emissions include saline aquifers or depleted oil and gas reservoirs, which typically need to be 0.62 miles, or more under the ground. In the U.S., there are multiple large-scale carbon sites, such as the Citronelle project in Alabama. This saline reservoir injection site is about 1.8 miles deep. Instead of storing carbon, it could be reused in industrial processes by converting it into, for example, plastics, concrete, or biofuel. This process is called carbon capture, utilization, and storage. According to the Global CCS Institute's report, there are 51 large-scale CCS facilities globally. 24 of these are in the Americas, 12 in Europe, 12 in Asia-Pacific, and 2 in the Middle East.